Hi everybody, it's Julie and I have several things going on right now today. Craziness. Design team project for Nevermore Creations 17. I am making a purple journal and it is going to be out of this guest book. It's awesome and it is coming along right along and it is so much fun. I am still working on my Dollar Store Christmas Junk Journal for the Dollar Store Christmas Junk Journal Challenge that's being put on by myself, Dear Julie, and Kara Brandon. And you can join us at the Facebook group, Dollar Store Christmas Junk Journal Challenge. And the rules and everything are there. There is a video explaining it. Come on and join the fun. I have added a couple of freebies to the group. And we'll continue to do that, and we will be having a virtual party with all the people that participated, and so that's a sneak peek at that. I am slowly finishing up my, I can't even grab it. I don't know where it went. Well, I have the sunflower thing and the 30 Days of Thanksgiving. Oh, look it. It looks like midnight. The new kitty. My new kitty. Yeah, so I'm working on that. Here it is. Oh, it doesn't want to come out. So, still working on this. Okay. And that's an actual, I am journaling in it. People didn't seem to be interested in watching it, so I haven't posted the videos of me putting anything in there. Let's see, tomorrow, yay, starts the 12 Days of Christmas with Linda Israel. She has put it together, and we have several paper crafters that will be making videos on a specific subject each day. These ideas will be great for gift ideas, as well as things to be using in your December paper crafting. Again, that starts tomorrow, and I'm having a blast making the items for that, and so I hope you will join us there. That is Friendly Junk Journal People, and it's the 12 Days of Christmas. I did post the invitation to the event for that in the Scrap All About It with Dear Julie Facebook group. And the last thing, my Etsy shop, Dear Julie Etsy shop is on sale. 50% off everything. 50%. 50%. Okay, so 50% off $40 or more order. Okay, whoop, how about a 3? Wow, I can really spell. $50 or more order. So if you spend $40, it's going to cost you $20 plus tax and shipping or whatever they do for you. And it includes everything in my shop. Digital, as well as all of the journals are on sale. The kits are on sale. What I originally was going to do, I was just going to put the journals and the big kits on sale. And then I decided that I would go ahead and put the whole shop on sale with a $40, because all those big kits, everything starts at $40. So it's kind of the same thing, except that you can take advantage of any of the small kits as well as any of the digital kits. And why am I doing this? Well, we blew past 5,000 subscribers, went straight to 5,300, on our way to 5,400. So I was like, well, I better do something. So 50% off the shop, 40 orders of $40 or more. So basically, you know, with a $40 purchase, you're going to spend $20. And that sale goes through Monday. But a lot of those things are one of a kind, and if it's if it's gone, it's gone. Yeah. And, yeah, so, and everything should ship out, by Thursday. So I hope you enjoyed this, and it's just an update, I know, but I'm really excited. I'm so glad you're here. I'm thankful for all of the interaction. I am really excited about the 12 days of Christmas. I cannot believe the participation and the excitement over the dollar store junk journal, Christmas junk journal challenge. We are having so much fun over there, and we have several brand new journal makers and several of the polished, the ones that have been doing this for a while, and everybody is just so much fun, and I love it. And I am really enjoying collaborating with Kara Brandon. I highly recommend. I don't know that I ever want to do something by myself. It is so much more fun to do this with somebody else, and it's the same with the Friendly Junk Journal people. So again, 12 Days of Christmas starts tomorrow for 12 days. My shop is on sale, 50% off everything, $40 or more order. We made over 5,000 subscribers, yay! And Nevermore Creations, Nevermore Creations 17, beautiful journal kit, purple, lavender, and lace. So watch for those videos. I'm actually going to do several videos because this is different. When you're making, it's one thing when you're making a journal and you just fold paper in half and put it in. This, I'm having to be kind of creative to get papers big enough, and it's fun, and it's going to be beautiful. And I have not made my cover. I'm doing that last because I want to, this is gorgeous, and I want to make sure that this fits into this really well. Thank you for being here. Have a great day. If you're still here, say Antique Beach Beauty. Have a great day. Bye.